my pup. He decided to join me. Hello. His name is Wiley. If you saw my second video, he likes to dance. No, I'm just kidding. He's small and lovely. He's lovey-dovey. And his name is Wiley Barker. He's a genius. He's super sweet. He's a Yorkshire Terrier. His face is small. Show yourself. Show your face, Wiley. Put that on. There you go. He follows my finger. Now I'm going to go bring in the other one. Hi, look at the camera. He's yawning. He's tired. Oliver, you want to be in me? You want to be in me? Come here. Come here in there. Oliver. They don't get a treat, okay? They don't get a treat. Look, what guy? It's the ice puppy. I'm like, say hi. Oliver, say hello. 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 His name's Oliver. He's Wiley's brother. He's bigger. And he's also a Yorkshire Terrier. And he's super sweet. He's loving. What, Olive, give me a kiss? Oh, yes, baby. And I'm going to go bring in the bird. The attack bird. Rio! Rio! Oh, Rio. Don't fly the camera. He is a Sun Conure. His name's Rio. Rio de Janeiro. Say hello. Say step up. Can you high five? High five. High five. He knows how to do high five. This is him turning it around. He hangs upside down. Hang upside down, baby. Oh, baby bird. Come here, baby bird. I'm just going to turn you upside down. It's okay. You can hang upside down because you're a spider monkey. Wow! With one foot. I got your baby geese. Say hello. Here, I got your other foot. Can you split? Like, say hi. Say hi. So you can bark like a dog. You can meow like a cat. Come here. It's okay. You can fly. Wanna go fly? Go fly, Noah. Go fly. Hang on a second. Let me face you guys towards the door, and I will show you him flying. Don't fly yet, baby. Don't fly yet. Okay, ready? Fly like the wind. Oh, baby. Baby, come here. Oh, poor baby. It's okay. Fly. Fly down and take away. So yeah, those are all my animals. Except two more. I have two cats. One's a type of Siamese. She's very fluffy. She's not sort of cat, and I can't bring her inside because we have two dogs. And then we got an Oreo, who is another cat. I don't know what type she is. She looks like an Oreo. She's white and black. And air it out, air it out, air it out, air it out. Toodles.